Hello guys, I am Kalidas Kapala. Welcome to Quality and Methodology. Today we are discussing in on dissimilar metals contained of this chapter definition, well metal and dilution alloying. What is the dissimilar metal? Definition: dissimilar metals are considered to be either those that are chemically different, aluminum, copper, nickel, or alloys of particular metal that are significantly different from the metallurgical standpoint, carbon steel versus stainless steel. They can be basic metal, filler metal, or base metal. Most common of dissimilar metal can be joined by solid state welding, cold explosion, friction, and ultrasonic welding. Brazing or soldering, where alloying between the metal is normally insignificant. In this case, only the difference in the physical and mechanical property of the base metal and their influence on serviceability of the joint should be considered. A combination of dissimilar metal with significant different chemical, mechanical, physical properties can easily present problem during and after welding. The combination can be different base metal or three different metal, one of which is filler metal. Their resulting well metal composition will differ from that of any of these composition and can vary with joint design, the welding process, the filler metal and welding procedure. Consequently, this factor and also any thermal treatment of the weld metal must be established and property evaluated prior to production. The major goal of dissimilar metal welding should be produce the weldment that meet the intended service requirement. The information presented here primarily address the fusion welding of dissimilar welding metal where the effect of significant dilution and alloying must be considered in the design of the joint as well as the selection of the welding process and procedure. Weld metal content. In the fusion welding of dissimilar metal joint, the most important consideration is the weld metal composition and its property. Its composition depends upon the composition of the base metal. The filler metal, if used, relatively dilution of this. The weld metal composition is usually not uniform, particularly with multiple pass weld and composition gradient is likely to exist in the weld metal adjacent to the each base metal. The solidification characteristics of the weld metal are also influenced by the relative dilution and the composition gradient near each base metal. These characteristics are important with respect to the hot cracking of the weld metal during solidification. The basic concept of alloying the metallurgical characteristics of resultant alloy and its mechanical and physical property must be considered when the design a dissimilar metal joint. If the two base metals will form a continuous series of solution then melt together, such as copper and nickel, production of fusion weld metal between them is readily accomplished. Weld metal, on the other hand, if complex phase or intermetallic compounds are formed when the two base metals are melted together. Successful fusion will likely depend on the availability of the filler metal and a welding procedure that will be avoid such compounds or phase and will be produce sound weld metal with acceptable properties for intended service. Dilution and alloying. Dilution. Welding each member and the filler metal is used are melt together into the weld pool. Upon solidification, the weld metal will be either a single phase or mixture of the two or more phases. A phase can be solid solution, copper nickel on copper nickel and intermetallic compound copper aluminum, or an intersterile compound ferro 3C titanium C. The number, type, amount and metallurgical arrangement of the phase present largely determine the properties and soundness of the weld metal. Solidification and cooling rate also have a significance on the phase present and the metallurgical structure of the metal. Dissimilar metal welding, the filler metal must be alloyed readily with the base metal to produce weld metal that has contained ductility matrix phase. Especially the filler metal must be able to accept dilution, allowing by the base metal without producing crack. Sensitive microstructure also be stable under the expected service condition. The weld metal strength should be equivalent to or better than that of the weaker base metal. Significant agitation occur in the molten weld pool with most fusion welding process. These tend to produce weld metal with a substantially uniform composition, except for narrow band next to each unmelted base metal. The band of the melted base metal is usually wider when the filler metal has a bigger melting point than base metal. Dilution is the change in the composition of the deposited filler metal in a mixture with the base metal or the previously deposited weld bed, expressed as percentage. In multiple pass welding, the composition of each weld metal should be relatively uniform. Definite composition difference are likely to succeeding weld bed, especially between the root bed adjacent to the base metal and remaining filler bed. The average composition of the whole weld metal can be calculated when the two things are known. The ratio of the volume of the base metal melted to the entire weld metal volume. The composition of base and filler metal, the dilution can be based on the area measurement of the transverse cross section through a test weld. How to determine dilution by two base metals A and B when welding with filler metal F, and the example of total dilution. The equation is here. Dilution alloy. The average percentage of specific alloying element in the diluted well metal can calculate it using following equation. Illustrate the calculation of the well metal composition. Assume that type 316 stainless steel is welded to a 2/4 chrome 1 molybdenum alloy steel with nickel chrome alloy filler metal type ER NiCr3. The nominal chemical composition of three alloy are discussion in part 2. Thank you. Continue TC Miller metal in part 1 still. Now, if you not subscribe, please subscribe, like and share your colleagues and friends and getting all new videos. Thank you.